Hey guys, it's been a while. We have a really exciting stay. It is winter. We are down south. We're near Yallingup and we have an incredible stay. Let's go check it out. We've just arrived and it's dog friendly, so Albie's with us, who's eating grass like a cow. Here's Daniel Cottage? No, Daniel Tiny House?
Yeah, tiny home.
It's a part of the Heyscape properties. So we've just arrived. It is the Yallingup one. Look, Joss has literally got the keys. Let's go have a look. So we've got the deck, obviously, as we come up. It's actually really large, facing this beautiful outlook of all these green rolling hills. There's some cows just there. We've got a little dam with some ducks. Albie's enjoying the lawn. Fire pit, first up, we'll be definitely using that tonight. Got a lovely barbecue, which we can cook on, and then some comfy seating out the front here. So it's not raining, so hopefully it just gets better with the weekend as it goes on. But let's have a look inside. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. And it smells so nice. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so nice. It's huge as well, isn't it?
It's big.
So we've stayed in a property of theirs, oh my gosh, like 4 years ago, I reckon. And that was near Narrogin.
Yeah, yeah.
And that was so small, like it was a proper tiny one, whereas this is so massive. So you've got a full bath, a ceiling shower. Wow, that is so much luxury. Beautiful window, really nice sink here. Big mirror, got some hooks for our towels. Composting toilet. Oh, this is so nice.
Wait, is it a composting toilet?
Yeah, I just read it here.
Oh.
How to compost toilet.
Oh.
So that's interesting. All right, so we've got a full kitchen. We've got a little coffee machine, which is awesome. Bin. Oh, we got all the fire lighters for the barbecue and for the fire pit. That's awesome. All the cutlery. So we've got 2 burners here. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. Can't see anybody else. Got a little fridge. We've got obviously the toaster, the kettle, a little welcome note. How beautiful.
Welcome, Joss and Joyce.
How cute. And then we've got a little breakfast bar here, which I'm assuming these windows all open up so you get some nice fresh air in. And then the bed with this view. My gosh, look how gorgeous that is. I love all like these earthy tones as well in the linen that they've got. And it's nice linen.
That's a big window.
It's a huge window and the bed like steps up. Can I jump on the bed?
Comfy?
Oh, so comfy. Yeah, this is a dog-friendly cabin, but the only thing is like you can't let them up on the bed, obviously. So maybe we can just put his bed in here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
It is.
And massive. We've got aircon for the summer, which would be so nice.
Yeah, wow.
So beautiful. I love all that little finishes.
Do they give you any free food?
No.
Free milk?
Free milk, yay! No, don't they? They offer a bottle of wine. You just got to go collect it from the winery.
I think you can add on packages and stuff.
Yeah.
When you book.
And this is a really good location. So it's not obviously central to Yallingup, but we've just gone past swings and roundabouts. We've just got Injunup Beach at the end of the road. So it's really well located for all the activities you want to do.
Honey.
Yay, for our pancakes. How pretty. This is really nice. An upgrade from the rooftop.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Got
Awesome.
some games, lawn games, hot water bottles, blankets. Is it a yoga mat?
Yeah.
Yoga mat, binoculars. It smells good in here.
It does.
And I saw there's games down here too, look. You can play some of this.
Oh, what's that? Cub?
No, is this Cub?
No,
it's the other one.
Oh, the other one, yeah. Finska?
Yeah.
Something like that.
So we're here for 2 nights.
Yes.
I just want to go outside though, this is so gorgeous. Hello! Albie's already dirty. Hey, pretty.
Just very cold at the moment. It's a bit of a cold wind, so everything's a little bit damp as well, so the fire's taking a while. But we've got this yummy cheese board.
Yeah, we've got everything fresh from the Bunbury Farmers Markets. I don't know, all different types of cheeses. Bit of salami, some fresh apple. We've got some strawberries in the fridge.
It's for dinner tonight.
We're going to do salmon. I don't know if we'll do it on the barbecue or not. We'll do salmon, sweet potato, broccoli, some beans. Very expensive beans.
Tell them how much your beans were.
I thought beans were cheap. I don't know why, because you can buy them frozen, so I thought they were cheap. I got a handful from the farmers markets and they're $8. Like, not even that much.
Oh, this is some good beans.
It better be.
Yeah, let's get stuck into this. So it's dinner time, and we've got salmon.
Gonna do some salmon. I just got some mushroom and onions, sweet potato, my $8 beans, and some broccoli. But we actually love having kitchens in these type of stays. We cook a lot, and we actually, once we're in a place like this, all we want to do is stay in a place like this and enjoy it. So we love when it's got a kitchen, so we don't have to go out for dinners and things like that.
Yeah, save some money.
It does. I think the little boy wants some food.
He's had his... So yeah, it's very cold outside, so that's why we've moved from the fire. You can kind of see the fire out there. And the sunset wasn't much. It was just it was very cloudy out there, so it's very cold. When I take the dog for a wee, it's very cold. So, but it's nice and warm in here. We've got the heater going up there, which is needed. So yeah, looking forward to some dinner.
The beans are good.
They better be.
They are. Good morning. We had the most peaceful night here last night. All you can hear was the frogs down near the dam. Even at one point we woke up and we could see the stars. The clouds cleared up and we were just, it was like we were camping. It was so beautiful just looking up outside. We kept all the blinds open. So we saw the first light this morning and it was such a nice, comfy night. This linen is absolutely gorgeous. I want to steal it. Albie slept on his bed all night. He had a really good sleep, but he's dying to go outside now. He's being a bit of a pest. He can see the cows and all the animals, so he just wants to go outside and run amok. It is a bit drizzly this morning, but I don't think it's meant to stick around. So just made Joss a coffee in bed. He's set up. Oh. He's going to finish off some editing this morning, and then I think I'm going to make some pancakes now with some fruit, and then might try and convince Joss to take Albie and I down to the beach. So
it's cold though.
It is, but Albie will love it. And I want to go down to Yallingup Beach and see what it's like. And then, I don't know, we might go to a winery for lunch a bit later on if it gets nice, somewhere we need to find where we can take Albie. That's the plan. We're just really finding it hard to get out of the bed, actually.
There isn't Wi-Fi at these cabins, and there's very limited reception, but you can get Telstra. But yeah, the hack we figured out was that you put your phone up there, and then you hotspot to your laptop, and you can watch the footy. That's what we did last night, and we watched Brisbane beat Freo.
Yeah, it was actually such a good game. We just put it over here on the bench and laid in bed. It was so nice.
So, I mean, the idea to come to these tiny homes to disconnect, I'm all for that until it comes to missing the footy, so.
Yeah. And I don't know why, it literally that one spot up there, it just works. Yeah. I had mine down here charging next to the bed and it was like hit and miss, whereas Joss, we didn't even like glitch during the game. So yeah, bit of a hack. Like my pancakes are too runny, probably not.
That's good.
Yeah, it's fresh orange juice from the Bunbury Farmers Markets. Got a beautiful punnet of strawberries. Look at these, a beauty. Look at those. Oh my gosh, looks so good. Got some blueberries, and then we got this yummy yogurt. It's honey and passion fruit yogurt, also from the Bunbury Farmers Market. So we're gonna have look how good they look. We're gonna have a really, really yummy breakfast this morning. All right, this is the end result. Got some pancakes, honey, banana, strawberries, and blueberries. While Joss gets to enjoy it in bed.
Yum.
All right, we've just driven out of the Heyscape and went to the end of the road, which is like a 2-minute drive, 3-minute drive, and it's Yallingup Spa. So we've got Yallingup Beach just out Joss's window, nice little surf beach, and then at the end of this road where we've just turned around is Yallingup Spa. We didn't stop and get out because we didn't realise it was a national park or a reserve or something.
Yeah, whatever it is, there's no dogs.
No dogs. So poor little Albie, he's gonna have to wait until we can find a different beach where we can let him out and go for a swim and all that. So we're just gonna drive back past the Heyscape and maybe even head towards Dunsborough. Yeah, Dunsborough, Yallingup. So we'll show you as we go. Down to Yallingup, we went to the natural spa, couldn't obviously go because we had the dog. Then we went over to Yallingup and we went on the beach, and Albie had the time of his life. He was digging holes, he was swimming, playing fetch, making friends with other dogs. Such a beautiful morning. The sun finally came out, and then we cruised into Dunsborough. We went to, what was it called?
I think it was called like
Merchant Maker or something?
Merchant Maker or Meat and Merchant or something.
Yeah, we went out to Ilma first.
Oh, sorry,
At
Ilma.
Bunker Bay.
Yes, the coffee shop.
Yeah, so Joss just got a takeaway coffee again. I took Albie down to the beach. He had a little swim and a play, had a time. So such a good time. It's when the weather really started to turn on. It was beautiful. And then we did go into Dunsborough, walked up around town, and then had the most delicious sandwiches from
The merchant place.
Merchant Maker, I think. Maker and
Yeah,
Merchant.
if we're wrong, I'll put it right here.
It was awesome though. We had a nice smoothie, we shared that, and then I had a nice chicken and salad sandwich. It was so fresh, it was delicious. I'll be actually pretty keen to go back again tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we just came back, got a bit overcast again. I started reading my book in bed here against the window, and then Joss just finished off some editing, and we've just gone for a walk down the road with Albie. I've lit the fire outside, and it is such a gorgeous afternoon. Really golden hour right now, and so much nicer than yesterday when we arrived. So we've just been really actually soaking up this view from inside, and then also sitting around the fire. We had some more nibbles left over from yesterday, but it's just been such a peaceful afternoon. We got back around 2 o'clock, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, it was just so nice and slow, and just such a beautiful outlook here.
Yeah, it's nice, just the birds.
Lots of birds, isn't
Yeah,
there?
there's lots of birds.
Ducks as well, lots of ducks have gone past.
And frogs.
Yeah, so we'll take you out to the fire. We've got that going. We've just got some beef mince, we've got some beans, we've got avocado and a few veggies, and we're just going to put that on some corn chips. Have a bit of an easy dinner tonight.
So that's a wrap on our stay at Heyscape in Yallingup. Saying goodbye to this little tiny home. Did you have fun?
We had the best time, a lot of time to relax, a lot of time to unwind, exactly what we need at the moment. It's our first little getaway with Albie, which he's run outside chained up. Hey, did you have fun? Yes, he had the best time. If we let him go, he would just take off, chase the cows, chase the kangaroos. So yeah, it's been a really nice stay. A little bit sad to leave. I feel like we could live in something like this, really.
Sure.
I mean, it's bigger than that. We've gone from that. I feel like we could handle something like this.
True.
So yeah, this is us signing out for our Heyscape weekend down in Yallingup. You could really spend a lot of time here.
Yeah, you could. It's nice and relaxing, and it's such
Yeah.
a short drive to Dunsborough and Margs that way. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect location. We were talking a lot about whether this is a perfect day for winter or summer, and I think both have their perks. In winter, it's so nice and cozy just to really utilise the bed, the window, and being inside, whereas in summer, obviously, you could just use this as a base, do all the wineries, breweries, beaches, and spend a lot more time outside. We wish we'd played the lawn games and things, but it gets too cold at night. So
It does. It gets cold very quickly as soon as the sun goes down.
But I think it's the best of both. You can really come in winter and be nice and cozy and have a book and a hot cup of tea on the bed, or in summer I feel like you'd just be cruising around to the beaches. So best of both worlds. I think we'll be back.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.
And look at Albie. He doesn't want to go home. Bye, Albie.